Hello, my name is Subbarao. My channel is Subbarao GV Creations. Here, today we are going to discuss or we are going to share bad sectors. Generally, the computer peoples may be knowing what is bad sectors. It is related to hard drive. We will go one by one. First one, what is bad sector? Second one, symptoms of bad sector. Third one, causes for bad sector. Fourth one, how to fix a bad sector. We are going to discuss simply these four. First one, what is bad sector? Bad sector you can define like this. This area is in disk not useful, unreaded area, unwritable area. That's you can say it, unreadable area, unwritable area. So by the OS, that is this area is unusable, unreadable, unwritable by the OS system of the computer. So first one, the symptoms. What are the symptoms? First one, there is so many symptoms are there, but some of the symptoms I am going to discuss here. Booting failure, one. Second one is unusual noises. From CPU there may be motor sound, there may be head sound, whatever it may be, there may be a different unusual noises. Then hard drive errors, that is system errors. Then fourth one, freezing the screen. And there are so many other symptoms also there. Simply just I am telling 4 or 5 and so on. Then next one, causes for the bad sector. What are the causes? High magnetic field. When this hard drive is exposed to high magnetic field, the data whichever is saved there, it may disturbed or fragmented. Then sudden impact. Third one, dust. The dust formation on the hard drive also it shows cause. Then sudden failure. What will happen if it is sudden failure? The system is going on doing some work. If system fails, the hard drive or the head get confused. The work which is doing by the hard drive or head will get stopped interruptedly. So that also one of the cause for the bad sectors. Then heat, overheat. Then improper removal of PC accessories. That is some of the accessories like speakers or mobiles or headphones which are improper removing, not properly. So these are also some of the causes for bad sectors. Then fixing of the bad sectors. How it has to fix it? First one, check disk. This tool actually inbuilt in the system. So you can use and fix the bad sectors. Once you fix the bad sectors, the OS will not come and read that area. It avoid that area. So next one, system error. This is also inbuilt tool. So use this system errors. It will correct the system errors. Then third one is defragmentation. So in the hard disk, the data, it will defragment. That is fragmented because of the so many reasons. Because of sometimes you may download some apps, or some apps you may delete, or some data you may delete. There may be gaps in the hard disk. These gaps in the hard disk may lead to slow. So these gaps has to be kept in one. So these gaps has to be removed. So for that, defragmentation has to be done. This has to be done time to time. So your system become perfect. You do these three things: check disk, system errors, defragmentation. You do regularly, your system will be all right. So these are all the way I am giving you a overall view. If you go online, you may get more details than this. Whatever I am knowing, I learn, just I am sharing with you. If you like my channel, like it, subscribe it, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. This is the one bad sector, image of the bad sector. This is made by me, somewhat weak in colors. Please cooperate. Here, this is the disk. These are all the tracks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These tracks are depends upon the capacity of the disk. It may vary 1000 to 1500 like this. These tracks. So then, this is called a small. This yellow color is small sector. This sector, this one is a cluster. Cluster is nothing but cumulative of the sectors. This one, this red color one is bad sector, because here no data will be saved. Unuseful, unreadable, unwritable area. So once you do the defragmentation or check disk, when OS is using, when OS is come to that point head, that area is omitted by the system, by the OS. So these are all the good sectors area. This three only bad sectors. This is a cluster. This is sector. This sector is nothing but the enclosed by 2 radii and 1 arc, interrupted arc. So this total is called disk sector. This one is only one track sector. So this is a actual disk description. You see, this is good sectors. These are all good sectors except these red areas. There is so many other you can see here. This is also disk. This is blue one are tracks. This is yellow one sector. This green one is clusters. You can go. This is also one type of disk. You see, A is a track, geometrical sector, C is a sector, D is a cluster. This is a cluster. If you go online, you may get so many types of disk images. You see another one. This is somewhat. This is track sector. I told you earlier. This is sector on the in the track. So it is a track sector. This is disk sector. This is up to, it is full up to center point, 2 radii, then 1 arc, interrupt arc. I hope you may get a little understanding, little knowledge, or little idea about the batch sectors. If you like, please like it, subscribe it, share it. Thank you.